Imagine a world where you're allowed to nap for months and nobody bats an eye. Welcome to the life of a bear. In the grand stage of nature, bears are among the most charismatic performers, captivating spectators with their charming antics and imposing stature. With 8 species strutting their stuff, the bear family is a diverse troupe indeed. From the mighty brown bear, the most widespread of all, to the enchanting panda, each species holds a unique place in the global biodiversity theater. Let's take a moment to appreciate the brown bear, a truly versatile actor in this planetary performance. With a range that spans from Europe to the vast wilderness of Alaska, home to the giant Kodiaks, the brown bear's adaptability is nothing short of impressive. But here's the real kicker. They can interbreed with black and polar bears, producing hybrids. Yes, you heard it right. The world of bears has its own version of mythical creatures, the Growler bear, a blend of grizzly and polar bear, and the Pizzly bear, a polar and grizzly hybrid. Now, let's turn the spotlight to the black bear, the most numerous of the species. They're like the chameleons of the bear world, flaunting coats in a range of colors. Black, blonde, cinnamon, gray-blue, and even white, like the rare Kermode spirit bear. Their adaptability doesn't stop at their wardrobe, though. These bears have a knack for cozying up to human presence, although their habit of rummaging through trash and cars for a quick snack can sometimes land them in a bit of a pickle. As we delve deeper into the world of these magnificent creatures, we'll uncover their intelligence, their striking resemblance to us humans, and the unique adaptations that set each species apart. And of course, we'll explore the panda paradox, a bear that eats bamboo despite having a carnivorous digestive system and faces unique reproductive challenges. So, next time you see a bear, remember it might just be a growler or pizzly bear in disguise. Now let's dive into the kaleidoscope world of black bears, where being black is optional. In the world of black bears, or Ursus americanus if we're being scientific, color is not a one-size-fits-all scenario. Rather, it's a vibrant display of nature's paintbrush, with black bears donning coats of black, blonde, cinnamon, gray, blue, and even white. Yes, you heard it right, white black bears. These are the Kermode spirit bears, not to be confused with polar bears, mind you. They're a rare subspecies with a recessive gene that gives them their ghostly white fur. But regardless of their color, black bears share a common trait. They're incredibly adaptable. These bears have a knack for making themselves at home in a variety of habitats. From the dense forest to the mountainous terrains and even our own backyards, black bears seem to have a wanderlust that knows no bounds. Yet this adaptability often leads to a love-hate relationship with us humans. Black bears, you see, have a certain fondness for our leftovers. They're the ultimate dumpster divers, rummaging through our garbage cans and cars with the finesse of a seasoned burglar. They've been known to open car doors, unlatch gates, and even operate door handles, all in the pursuit of a free meal. This might seem amusing, but it's a serious issue. As we encroach upon their natural habitats, these opportunistic foragers are compelled to venture into human territories, leading to inevitable conflicts. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that exists between us and our wild neighbors. But let's not forget, these are wild animals, not furry thieves. They're survivors, doing what they need to do to get by in a world that's changing around them, and they're doing it with a splash of color that defies their name. Remember, not all black bears are black. Some of them could be having a blonde moment. Ever thought a bear could outsmart you? Well, think again. Let's delve into the genius of bears, a topic that might surprise you. Now, when we think of intelligent creatures, our minds often wander towards dolphins, elephants, or our closest relatives, the apes. But bears, my friends, are no slouches in the brain department. Bears have been found to possess problem-solving skills that can rival primates. They've been observed using tools in the wild, like rocks to scratch their backs or sticks to dig out honey, and it doesn't stop there. In captivity, they've been seen stacking objects to reach food, a clear display of their ability to understand and manipulate their environment. But their intelligence isn't limited to just physical tasks. Bears also have an exceptional long-term memory, remembering feeding sites for years or even decades after their last visit. They can navigate vast territories, a testament to their spatial memory. And here's a fun fact for you. Bears have even been observed appreciating natural beauty. They've been seen gazing at landscapes, sunsets, and even their own reflections in water. This ability to appreciate beauty, something we often consider uniquely human, is truly fascinating. Now, let's talk about personalities. Just tune in to the Bear Cam live stream from Katmai National Park, and you'll notice each bear has its own unique behavior, its own style of fishing, its own favorite spots. Some are bold and aggressive, others are cautious and reserved. This variation in behavior indicates a level of individuality and self-awareness that we often associate with higher intelligence. So, next time you think of a bear, don't just imagine a lumbering beast with a penchant for honey. Picture an intelligent, problem-solving creature with a memory that could put an elephant to shame, a sense of beauty, and a unique personality. So if you ever feel outsmarted by a bear, remember, they've been practicing on puzzles longer than you. Bears, they're just like us, well, minus the fur and claws. Now, before you start picturing your grumpy neighbor as a grizzly in disguise, let's explore exactly what we mean by that. Bears, you see, don't just have their own personalities. They also share some surprising traits with us humans. Take their walk, for instance. Like us, bears are plantigrade walkers. That's a fancy way of saying they walk on the soles of their feet with their heels touching the ground, just like we do. So, if you've ever felt a kinship with Baloo the bear strolling through the jungle, there's a biological reason for that. But it's not just their gait that's human-like. Their diet is too. Bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and meat. From berries and roots to fish and small mammals, bears are not fussy eaters. They'll even indulge in an insect or two when the mood strikes them. Sound familiar? It's not so different from us picking through a buffet, trying a bit of everything. However, just as we humans have adapted to different diets around the globe, so too have bears adapted to their environments. Polar bears, for instance, have become skilled hunters of seals in the icy Arctic, while the bamboo forests of China have turned pandas into, well, bamboo-eating specialists. And let's not forget the brown bear. This adaptable creature ranges from the European brown bears that forage in the forests to the giant Kodiaks of Alaska that feast on salmon. They're the most widespread bear species, and their dietary flexibility is a big reason why. But don't let their diet fool you. While they might share our love for a varied menu, they're still wild animals. Their world is governed by survival, and their adaptations are testament to their resilience and resourcefulness in the face of ever-changing environments. So, next time you see a bear walking, remember they're just trying to fit in with the humans. Pandas, the bear that eats like a vegetarian but has the gut of a carnivore. Now, isn't that a paradox? Let's dive into the world of pandas and unravel this mystery. Pandas are a conundrum in the bear kingdom. Unlike their omnivorous cousins, these black and white wonders have a diet that's almost entirely bamboo. That's right, they're the bear equivalent of that friend who's always munching on celery sticks. But here's the twist. Their digestive system is designed like a carnivore's. It's short, lacks a cecum, and their gut bacteria are more similar to a meat eater's than a plant eater's. This mismatch between diet and digestive system means pandas get only about 1/5 of the nutrients from their food. To compensate, they eat a lot, up to 14 hours a day, consuming around 20 to 40 pounds of bamboo. But why such a peculiar diet? Scientists speculate it could be due to a combination of their ancestors' dietary habits, lack of competition for bamboo, and pandas' low metabolic rate, which lets them survive on such a nutrient-poor diet. So, while they might be the pickiest eaters in the bear family, they've certainly carved out a niche for themselves. Now let's talk about another panda peculiarity, their unique reproductive challenges. Female pandas have a narrow fertility window, just 24 to 72 hours once a year. And in captivity, things get even trickier. Males often show little interest in mating, and females struggle with motherhood. But when they do become mothers, pandas show fascinating maternal behaviors. They are fiercely protective, constantly cradling their tiny newborns to keep them warm and safe. It's a testament to the lengths a mother will go, even in the face of adversity. Pandas, with their bamboo-munching habits and unique reproductive challenges, truly are an enigma in the bear world. They defy norms, challenge our assumptions, and yet continue to thrive in their own unique way. So, whether they're munching on bamboo or struggling with motherhood, remember, pandas are just trying to bear it all. So, what have we learned about our furry friends? We've journeyed through the 8 distinct species of bears, each with its unique quirks and behaviors. In the vast spectrum of bear kind, we've met the widespread brown bear, from the giants of Kodiak to their European cousins. and their ability to interbreed, producing captivating hybrids like the growler or pizzly bear. We've been charmed by the black bear, the most numerous and a chameleon in its color palette, with shades ranging from black to white. We've recognized their intelligence and adaptability, their knack for solving puzzles, using tools, and even appreciating natural beauty. We've noted their uncanny resemblance to us in their plantigrade walk and omnivorous diet. And let's not forget the pandas, those bamboo-guzzling enigmas with their unique reproductive challenges and maternal behaviors. So, whether they're blonde, black, or bamboo-loving, remember, bears are just trying to live their best life, one nap at a time.